In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert numbers to words. So now I can select the numbers and I'll go to extensions, click on adds once and go to get add once. Now the page will open. Here you can type number text. The second number one is number text. You can click on it. Now you can see this option. You can click on it. Now you'll get number text option. You can install this in your system. Click on continue, allow, done. Now this is installed. Now here you'll go is equal to number text in bracket, close the bracket. Now you can see I wrote here 508.84. So you can see 584 is there. The same from formula you can apply on the following numbers. You can see the result. See, I hope you understand. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.